Glad to see you. As you know, Portugal is full of breathtaking viewpoints, and we visited many of them. So I decided to start a brand new playlist dedicated to these hidden gems. And I want to start with one that is not very famous but absolutely worth seeing. This is a suspended platform hanging 425 meters above the Lina Valley. It's really a balcony to the sky. It's located near the village of Ventoso in the heart of Portugal. The viewpoint blends wood, stone, and steel into a structure that reflects the landscape and amplifies its beauty. But be careful with the wind not to lose the drone. The light is great for the camera, and also there is a QR code where you can upload the photos. Viewpoint, we drove further into the hills and found something unexpected in the village of Cadachal. It was the Stone Art Festival 2023 where artists carved, painted and brought new life into the rocks. We managed to film just 10% of it because the wind was very cold that day, but the place was so special we knew we had to come back. So stay tuned, we'll return and film the full story in part 2. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.